In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record mortgage payments in QuickBooks Online. Managing your mortgage payments accurately is a critical part of keeping your financial records in order, especially if you're using QuickBooks Online to track your business or personal finances. By recording these payments correctly, you ensure your accounts are up to date, your balances are accurate, and you're ready for tax time or financial reporting. Whether you're new to QuickBooks Online or just looking for tips to refine your process, this step-by-step tutorial will make it simple and straightforward. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is click on New from the top left corner of the QuickBooks Online dashboard. This will open a menu that gives you a variety of options for recording transactions. From this list, select Journal Entry to open the Journal Entry form, which is where we'll be recording the details of your mortgage payment. Once the form is open, start by entering a descriptive name in the name field. For example, you can use something like mortgage payment to make it clear what this journal entry represents. If you'd like to include additional organization, you can also add a reference number. This could be something like the month of the payment or a sequential number to help you keep track. Next, we'll move to the journal entry lines. Locate your mortgage account in the available list. If your mortgage account doesn't already exist, don't worry, you can create it right now. Just click Add New to open the new account window. Here, you'll need to set the account type to long-term liabilities, which is the correct category for a mortgage. For the detail type, choose Notes Payable, as this fits the classification of a mortgage loan. Name the account something specific and clear, like mortgage principal, so it's easy to identify later. You can also add a description such as the property address to distinguish this account from any other loans you may have. Once everything is filled out, click Save and Close to return to the journal entry form. Now that your mortgage account is set up, select it from the list in the journal entry form. Refer to your mortgage statement to get the exact amount that goes toward paying down the loan balance. Enter this amount into the mortgage principal account. This reflects the portion of your payment that reduces the outstanding loan balance. Next, you'll need to account for the interest portion of your payment. Record this amount in the interest expense account. If your mortgage payment also includes escrow items like property taxes or insurance, be sure to record those amounts in their respective accounts as well. This step ensures that all components of your payment are properly categorized. After entering all the amounts, set the journal entry date to match the payment date on your mortgage statement. This keeps your records aligned and ensures accuracy when you reconcile your accounts later. To add further clarity, consider including a memo for this entry. For example, you could use the payment month or a property identifier to make the journal entry easier to understand at a glance. Before finalizing the entry, double-check everything. Make sure that the totals match your mortgage statement and that your debits and credits are balanced. This is a critical step to ensure the accuracy of your financial records. Once you're confident everything is correct, click Save to finalize and record the journal entry. And that's it. You've successfully recorded your mortgage payment in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.